Located in Akron, Ohio, the Innovation Center Manufacturing Plant, or ICM, is the premier race tire production facility for the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. The 845,000 square foot facility operates 3 shifts per day, Monday through Friday, with a total of 285 associates. The hourly associates are represented by the United Steelworkers Local 2 and make high-performance race tires by hand for the National Association of Stock Car Auto Racing, NASCAR, and the National Hot Rod Association, NHRA. In fact, the ICM plant is the exclusive supplier of race tires for NASCAR and NHRA. ICM tire builders are craftspeople who work in a manual-intensive process where their passion for quality and driver safety are proven by the placement of their names on every tire they build. The Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company is one of the world's largest tire companies. Globally, it employs about 64,000 people and manufactures its products in 48 facilities in 22 countries. ICM, founded in 1916, is the oldest active Goodyear manufacturing facility. This year, Goodyear celebrates 64 years with NASCAR, one of the longest-running sponsorships in any major sport. In the fall of 2013, ICM began a cultural transformation with a commitment to operational excellence. The objective was to move the organization away from the traditional manufacturing mindset, redefine the way work was done in the facility, and focus on creating a culture where highly engaged associates enjoy coming to work. As the ICM plant enters year 5 of this operational excellence journey, the organization's growth and bottom line results are nothing short of remarkable. In their evaluation, AME assessors highlighted ICM's safety reporting system, which is a closed-loop system, and a Goodyear best practice that focuses on identifying near misses and analyzing events, as well as its operational excellence in leadership, workplace culture, and employee relations. Congratulations to the Goodyear ICM facility, a 2018 recipient of the AME Excellence Award.